Today we are going to discuss about new topic important football stadiums of India in which we will study about names of stadium and where are they located. Now we are starting the first stadium Ambedkar Stadium which is located in New Delhi. Now the next one is Baichung Stadium which is located in Namchi, Sikkim. Now the next one is Bakshi Stadium, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Now the next one is Birsa Munda Football Stadium which is located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Now the next one Calicut Medical College Stadium which is located in Kozhikode, Kerala. Next one is Chandrasekharan Nair Stadium which is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Now the next one is Chennai Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium which is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And the next one is Dadaji Kondev Stadium which is located in Thane, Maharashtra. Now the next one is Dr. Rajendra Prasad Football Stadium which is located in Nimoj, Madhya Pradesh. The next stadium is Dhule Stadium which is located in Mapusa, Goa. Now the next one is East Bengal Ground, Kolkata, West Bengal. Now the next one is D.Y. Patil Stadium which is located in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Now the next one is EMS Stadium which is located in Kozhikode, Kerala. Now the next one is Fertoda Stadium which is located in Margao, Goa. Now the next one is Fort Maidan which is located in Palakkad, Kerala. Now the next one is Guru Nanak Stadium which is located in Ludhiana, Punjab. Now the next one is Jadavpur Stadium which is located in Kolkata and also in Gujarat. Now the next one is Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium which is located in Kochi, Kerala and New Delhi. Now the next one is Visvesvaraya Stadium which is located in Mandya, Karnataka. Next stadium is TT Nagar Stadium which is located in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Now the next stadium is Tilak Maidan Stadium which is located in Vasco da Gama, Goa. Now the next one is Thrissur Municipal Corporation Stadium which is located in Thrissur, Kerala. Now the next one is Tau Devi Lal Stadium which is located in Gurgaon, Haryana. Now the next one is Sri Kanti Rava Stadium which is located in Bangalore, Karnataka. Now the next one is Satyendra Mohan Dev Stadium which is located in Silchar, Assam. Now the next one is Salt Lake Stadium which is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Now the next one is Ravi Shankar Shukla Stadium which is located in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Now the next stadium is Rajendra Stadium which is located in Siwan, Bihar. Now the next stadium is Patliputra Sports Complex which is located in Patna, Bihar. Now the next stadium is Palzor Stadium which is located in Gantok, Sikkim. Now the next stadium is Mohun Bagan Ground which is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Now the next stadium is Mohammedan Sporting Ground which is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Now the next stadium is Mela Ground, Kalimpong, West Bengal. Now the next one is Mangala Stadium which is located in Mangalore, Karnataka. Now the next one is Maharajas College Stadium which is located in Kochi, Kerala. Now the next one is Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium which is located in Kollam, Kerala. Now the next one is Lajwanti Stadium which is located in Hoshiarpur, Punjab. Now the next one is Khuman Lampak Main Stadium which is located in Imphal, Manipur. Now the next one is Kanchenjunga Stadium which is located in Siliguri, West Bengal. Now the next one is Kalyani Stadium which is located in Kalyani, West Bengal. And now the next one is JRD Tata Sports Complex which is located in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Now the last one is Jorthang Ground which is located in Jorthang, Sikkim. Thanks for watching News Junction. We will study about another sports and their stadiums in the next video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for upcoming awesome videos.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time